Replika AI Honest Review. Best AI chatbot? I'm going to tell you if Replika AI is actually the best AI chatbot or just another overhyped companion app. Replika is designed to be your personal AI friend. Chat, vent, roleplay, even flirt. It learns from your conversations and adapts to your style over time. The interface is clean, responses feel emotionally aware, and for many users, it's surprisingly comforting. The free version is limited though. To unlock romantic or NSFW features, you'll need a subscription. And while the AI is good at holding casual conversations, it still struggles with deeper logic or memory over long chats. Plus, some users report the chatbot become repetitive or pushing in-app purchases too often. So, if you're looking for a virtual companion that's empathetic and chill, Replica is okay. But if you want deeper conversations or something more intelligent, you might outgrow it fast.